Rick James, bitch. Party like I'm Rick James, bitch. Ride around, getting it. Blowing money on my main bitch. Bumping 2 Chainz. In the Range Rover, in the damn thing. Ain't a fluke, baby. Cause the hook game got me out the loop, baby. And I'm out of here. Racks on my lot to serve. So fucked up, she got to serve. But she don't hear what she don't want to hear. Leaning, outside of me leaning. 50 side of me dreaming, other side of me scheming. Vibe with me, slide with me, get high with me, riding so clean all night. I've been vibing, sliding, getting high, riding so clean all night. I've been waiting for you.
Yabonga mama. Awu kodwa. Sengiyazwakala manje Big Bro kusami. Uma ngehlise futhi. Do you stay in Newlands? Yep.
We have got to the point where literally anybody can build a fully working app without knowing how to code. This is Base 44. This is the first look at the current industry-leading AI app builder, and you wouldn't believe the kind of apps that people are creating. Smart nutrition apps, inventory trackers, onboarding tools, you name it. And if the only thing stopping me from making the app is the idea, why not build an app that gives me endless app ideas? So let's make it. Pro tip, I draft the full app spec in ChatGPT, and then I drop the prompts directly into Base 44. It gives me super detailed structure. And here it is. Everything I laid out in detail as it goes. This is pretty awesome, but I want to make it playful. So I'm going to add a swipe left and swipe right interface. The same usability we all know.
I must be dreaming. I'm thinking it's abnormal. Surely siwahlangana nenqwaba yabantu abahle abadlula mina.
And I've been with Triplet, I've been with tears, I've been so long, where do I begin?
Oh, useduze ngempela. That's not too far from la.
You are the star, so still. Even though I found you pretty ass, I won't be. Ever since I caught you on that
ngathi uzele nje ukuzodedela olayini la. Uzele ukuzodedela o-1 kuphela. It's crazy. It's not a good idea. That is not a good idea. Who knows?
Baby, I seen everything I felt you too. You were the best part. If nobody told you, save your pressure. I've been with triplets, I've been with twins, I've been so long, we're doing it again. To me, you are the stars, so still. Even though I could be as I come ever since I caught you on that ice, you had no chill, no more.
Kuphuka mfoka amazi uyambona yini Zengento.
Diamonds in her ear, she even wear that diamonds for a year. I'm trying to treat you special, like no one did. My baby skips the nightlife and the sidelines just to show me it's mine. I'm trying to treat her special.
Hi. Ipronounce kanjani igama lakho? Ba Golden noma GLDN? Golden. In a public place, that's not a good idea. Like I said, that's not a good idea. I don't go around meeting nothing else. Yeah, it's golden. Kabangiru, maybe it's pronounced like that. Could you this? Can you use English? Oh, kanti mangikuphendula ke hayibo, ngiyaphinda futhi ngimphendula ngesiZulu. Cape Town. No, I'm in Durban. Dubai. I'm in Durban. Hi, bushy eyebrows. Yeah, my comment. Your usernames are funny, shame. Bushy eyebrows. Hi, future mfana. Future mfana buka nafe. It's kade yini nangabe. Ama username enu ayingeke. Angikho happy. Angikho happy bafethu. Xa nishintsha ama username fake into right. How? Hi Mabulalo buka nangumuntu Mabulalo. Ayingeke. I wasn't down the road, don't know that you.
Hello?
Are you drunk right now?
Yeah, okay. Right now?
Would you like to come to Cape Town or the expensive trip with the things to be comfortable? Nope. No. N-O, no. Thanks for the offer. No. No. Ah. No, nje we gentleman. Gama lakho gentleman Nkosi yami kodwa nje hayi siyabonga for the offer.
Happy with a good guy. But I've been drinking so much, and I'ma call her anyway. That nigga that you love so bad.
Please, this is Alright.
I say fuck that nigga. I'm just saying,
you can do better. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day now. Yeah. Have a good one.
I'm just saying,
Have a good one.
and I'll start hanging on if you make it.
You can do better. Ngizala October now. Na ngizala ngoFebruary mina.
Cops of the XO. All my people been here. I see all of her friends here. Guess she don't have the time to kick it no more. Flights in the morning. What you doing is so important.
Ngiyabonga bandla ngi-right.
I've been drinking so much that I'ma call you anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad.
14 in manje.
I know you still think about the times we had. I
Why
say,
was it 14?
fuck that nigga that you think you found.
And since you
Picked up, I know he's not around.
hayi 14 February. Ngomhla 1, 1st of February. Ngizalwa ngomhla 1 February.
Tell me, have you heard that lately?
I'm just saying you can do better.
And I'll start hanging only if you
I think I'm addicted to naked pictures and sitting talking about bitches that we almost had. I don't think I'm conscious of making monsters out of the women I sponsor till it all goes bad. But shit, it's all good. We threw a party, yeah, we threw a party. Bitches came over, yeah, we threw
No,
a party.
thank you.
I was just
Thanks for
calling
the
'cause they were
offer.
just
Like I
leaving.
said,
Talk to me, please,
like I
don't have
said,
what you believe
thanks
in.
for the
I need you
offer.
right
I'm
now.
good.
lay you down
I'm
and
good.
listen to me.
Thank you
Too
very
many
much.
drinks have been given to me. I got some
Remind
women
me
that's
to get you
living on
something
me.
nice.
Pay for their flights and
A snack. Ngoba ngiyi-14 ngihlezi ngithola something. Too bad, too sad.
I've been talking crazy, girl. I'm lucky that you picked up, lucky that you stayed on. I need someone to put this weight on.
Well. Ngihlala phambili. Ngihlala eNewlands. Ngihlala eNewlands
I'm
East.
just saying, do better.
Durban.
Tell me, have you heard that lately?
Pongo.
I'm just saying,
Knowledge.
and I'll start hanging only if you make it.
You can do better.
Just throw it while I hold your.
All I think about is money. Knowledge, lol, good knowledge. Thinking I need something
All I care about is money and the city.
and bekuyimina loyo inqo tshela ubone mina ubone mina ingaki loyo ya ngifunda khona mhlawumbe sekangibona because ngifunda khona music taste yeah njani sakhe abo umuntu ongamlalela uDrake la Shiyanila u5 manje ngazi
Yeah.
lalelani kanti ongamlalela
You
uDrake
know what I'm sipping. I teach you how to mix it, but you're the only one. 'Cause
Cause I don't trust these bitches. I don't trust these
and
bitches.
angazi ngempela bese singidideke
Cause I don't trust these bitches. They might catch me slipping.
ngazi ngempela nginemoto kodwa manje angizazi indawo kuyangilana nami
Cause I don't trust these bitches. I don't trust these bitches. They might catch me slipping.
Trust the shoes.
Trust the shoes.
Bless MK. How are you?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's count up on drinking and let's all get hasty. On drinking, let's all get hasty. Yeah.
Look fine, Makalala. Thank you.
Drizzy Drake,
Thank you.
check me out, coming live from the motherfucking north side. Kick game, run game, running real good, but never ever have my bitches sitting courtside. Same nigga that you knew way back when. You acting like it's somebody you don't know. Tell me how the fuck we supposed to stay friends when you got a bunch of feelings that you don't show. I can tell certain people don't like me no more. New shit don't excite me no more. Guess that they don't really make them like me no more. You can look me in my eyes and see I hate myself. Cause if y'all what I created, then I hate myself. But still, let them girls in and tell them all leave them cell phones on the table when we see them. I'm all day with it, man, AM to the PM. Niggas hating at the switches they was saying when they see them.
Yeah, and yo bekunzima manje lo khala lo ngicine ngayitholanga 17 Pro uthi lo khala bengufuna bengifuna green white mina ngangawuthola so ngaba nabothi ayazi angiwayeke la orange na pink yabo nje laba nje abasilver ngathi angibayeke kwa ngiyabona ukuthi hayi lo khala ngifuna awukho ngiyeka ngithenga ngafike kunzima nje. Can I request to join? Not now. I'm must give a live episode later on today. Then I'll take my request, but for now.
Oh yeah. Let's count up on drinking.
Because what was that?
On drinking.
Online bed, Hi Ashford. Gisho guys, am I pronouncing your name right? Ashford. Yeah. Hayi nawe wena phela nawe. Lo nto le futhi ngivisa ngathi zonke intombi zakho nazo ngathi ungayimithisa zonke ngesikhathi esisodwa futhi uyisoli ukuthi ibaleka. Qeda lapho tshela. Ubaleke futhi. Ngathi zonke nje mayimithisa zonke. Zizala amawele futhi zonke zizala eyodwa izala triplet eyodwa izala iwele. Amawele abe u2 ngala abe u3 tshela uyibhizi zombhedela la.
Yeah. Rick James, bitch. Party like I'm Rick James, bitch. Ride around, eating it, blowing money on my main bitch. Bumping 2 Chainz, in a Range Rover, in a damn thing, in a fluke, baby, in a fluke, baby. Cause the hook game got me on the loop, baby. And I'm out of here. So fucked up, she got to stare. She don't hear what she don't want to hear. Leaning, outside of me leaning, this side of me dreaming, other side of me scheming, vibing me, sliding me, get high,
Kalele.
ride it, so cool.
Thuba azikhalele.
I'll be waiting for you to get high, get high, get high. I must be dreaming, I must be dreaming, I must be dreaming, I must be dreaming, dreaming. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. I must be dreaming, when I'm dreaming. I must be dreaming, when I'm dreaming.
to lose my mind. You mean Hennessy, look what you did to me. Fucking so crazy, you twirling and spinning me. My head keep on spinning. My legs keep on shaking, but my head keep on spinning. I'm out of my mind. Let's keep on sipping. Let's make some babies and make it official. I feel you inside, no better feeling. I throw it back again. You catch my drifting, you shifting inside. You got me screaming. You got me yelling out your name. You kiss on my thighs and then you eat it.
Ngiyazinza la.
Let you beat it. I'm feeling it right.
Zinza ukuzinza.
Smooth like the Henny, that's what happens when you drink it. I'm not gonna lie, you got me speechless. Got 69, more than 25 reasons. Me Hennessy and you. Me Hennessy and you. Me Hennessy and you. Me Hennessy and you. You, me and Hennessy, look what you did to me. I say my head keep on spinning. Me Hennessy and you.
It's just me and Hennessy and you.
Quanto mela.
About to act a damn
Oh,
fool in your brand
Jovino.
new.
Jovino, man.
Can we stay home tonight?
Try something new tonight.
Don't wear your thumb tonight. No Trojan on tonight. Oh Lord, I usually don't do this. But I'm gonna keep the quarter gone. Yeah, ignore the phone in the car, mom. I'm about to come, no false alarm. Ooh, makeup off. No weed flashes off. Yeah. Codeine Adderall. It's a pussy marathon. Girl, you don't love me, you just love my doggy style. Put the dick up in your mouth while you're talking like what you talking about. Yeah, 'cause you've been talking.
Tukomela babanya imini.
Make us a drink. And I don't drink.
Ay,
You're not
boo.
looking up for some
What's
other
happened,
sink,
picture?
baby. I guess chemistry is true. But I don't know if it's the Hennessy or you. I heard you eat pussy
Uzofosa
too,
la
and I'm
kathi
feeling
TikTok.
that.
Uzofosa.
Hope your girlfriend feeling me too. I'ma fuck her real good right now.
Ngiyadlala. Hey, kodwa Nkosi yami.
Then look at you like it's finna be you, me, Hennessy,
Hi,
and you,
Josh.
and you. Couple candles, no TVs reporting bad news. It's just me, Hennessy, and you. Some fast food, and you look like a damn fool on this
Yazubani wakutshela ukuthi amantombazane athanda imali. Ayi, wakona.
My head keep on spinning.
Wakona lo wakutshela ukuthi amantombazane athanda imali.
It's what happens when you drink it. Me Hennessy and you. Me Hennessy and you.
Hayi ngizokushaya wejobe ngizokushaya. Hawe ma. Hawe shembe. Oh, delete le comment le. Delete le comment. Delete le comment. Hey bro. Hey bro.
It's your birthday, so I know you want to ride out. Even if we only go to my house, sit more easy as we sit upon my couch. Feels good, but I know you won't.
Hayi bo ngizohlula yini? Ngizohlula yini kanje? Uzifana zami nje but nje. Ayikho nje ikhina nalento. Ngiyabonga sis. Hayi bindokuhle. Angazi ungawathanda amagwethu Nkosi yami. Sizoba strong.
Eso loco, yeah, yeah.
ungayibambi ngempela futhi. Mhlawumbe sebefuna iy'mali zabo iy'kweletu. Phela vele ungayithandi imali ngoba nawe abafana bayithanda imali. Ayekho nje umuntu ongayithandi imali bese ayekho futhi ongayifuni. Sonke siyayifuna, sonke nje siphile yona nje imali, siphile into eyodwa, siphilela ukwenza imali. Ubone ukuthi phela thina sonke sijola nabantu ngoba nakho sifuna iy'mali zabo. Wena unesicefe wena izolo ubuwenza nje. Ayiphinda lento yakho. Yazi. Aziplashiswa yini? Aziplashiswa yini? Ambona nisba uhehab. Izolo ubemngento. Namhlanje futhi. Ngiyazivela ukuthi ngidlala ngami. Akho nje ngokuthatha serious. Hot. Ngathi singibone endaweni eziningi. Qala ngibone ePhava, singibone eHavana. Qasa nabantu, ngikade ngihlalele ekhaya lami. Ngihlalele ekhaya. Manje ngathi singibone endaweni eziningi. Ngiyazwakala nje kodwa noma ivolume too high. Lekelela. Wemama ngiyenzela. Sebeqalile bayakhuluma. Okushuthi kubona sekuhamba kahle. Asikho ukuthi mayingakho. Asikho ukuthi mayingakho. Lebo masisukiye siyayelana. Hayi ngiyabona nami wathi singibona nje kokumuntu. Oh well. Ngihlezi ke ngifaniswa mina ngalelo bhadi nje. always get those messages. Child. Ukuthi uyangihlanyisa ungavumi ukuhlanyiswa yimina wena yeyi ungayivumi nje leyo nto leyo. Mathematics yeah angenzela yona ukuthi nje ngangayithandi but ngishaye some hi blood suck ayingeba futhi ama-username enu like nje ayingeke why the blood sucker ngoba kunjenjani asenjani ngigila yini ngigila kwenze njani mhlampe like ngigila kwenze njani. Why that reaction? Because of your name. Your name is so weird. Like why would you? It's crazy. It's really crazy. Spay cat. You're making a vampire cry. A vampire? Who you vampire with? Shame. Ngifundela amakhwethu and ushilo ukuthi uhleli nje ngifundela wona Nkosi yami. Ngikuzwe kahle. Uyothi wabonani wemfazi ongazalanga. Hayibo. Igama hayibo. Hi wena le gama leli engingafuna ukulisho uyazazi ke wena ukuthi ubani unjani le gama Nkosi yami. Let's see shame cabanga ngizonikezwa yimini ikhaya. Hawu awusabusi la sorte c'est comme la colonie avec la sorte. Isikhathi sokubuya ekhaya ngabe alalazi ukuthi yadengusa shawa ubalo
Heartburn is caused by stomach acid rising. Gaviscon double action neutralizes these.
Ngidlala ku-YouTube. Ngisebenzisa i-laptop ngoba manje ifoni ngiyayisebenzisa. Ngidlala ku-YouTube. Ngibona platform yase-campus. Yeah, njani? Yiphi i-campus? Nkosi yami. Let's say ngobani manje kodwa wena bethi yini kwenza usho lokho Collins send you love from Malanga thank you yini ngiyakugowisa manje Joba kusiyami ithemba ngigowise wangidlala le ngoma shawa uvalo you search when it comes to you right ngidlala imbala what does that mean? You're not massive. Like it would actually make a lot of sense. Like some type of fangas in team chorus noma yini kule ngoma le. But ingabi too much. Ngarex. Maye ngifake enye ingoma fast.
Like me, we miss you on your side of the bed. Still got your things here.
Ingoma yakho wehappy. Ngaphila unjani ngiyabonga yani ngidlala ingoma ezimnandi mina Stan. Mama day for you. Mama every time that I think of you I don't know I feel loved again. I'm too late for them. Yamanzi uyazazi ngiculayo. I proved them wrong I came for you. Show me love, yeah, forever, yeah. My mind day for you, my heart break for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want to love you in my heart again, please. I know it's me, yeah, Gwen. Oh. We are zazzing in July. Yeah. ulela uhehaphi kodwa Nkosi yami. Hawu. Hawu. Awu ngiyabonga mzami, yazi angibonanga ukuthi ngisendelilo. Thank you. Ngiqale mina angifuni intombi. Yona uzenza into namanga uyayifuna intombi. Ngikhathele ukushilo. Afrobeats. Nengoma ufuna ngiyidlale ngiyabona ukuthi hawu Nkosi
baby girl, I say your body na killer, oh. I need to die out of your body, only on your body.
And ikhona wayenjalo avanalale nje azumeke ayikho into enyanyisa njengayo weyeka leyo nto wena ihamba awungitshela igama lakho bethi yeke bekha ngiyaniza ngaleli gama engingasile Ngiyabo TikTok ebusuku konke singekho right noma ngithenga idatha wrong ngisebenzisa endaweni wrong akugodwa nje sengikwenzile
Feels like this. Double Wear Matte Powder Foundation. Dual Fusion runs pigments with emollients. Velvet soft, microfine powder finish. Lasts all day.
Tadi saya testing. Akhirnya that was quick. Ngidlale manje futhi kuba angithola ngaleya ngoma uyicelile eqaleni sohlukana bangayithola le siyajola ngiyani ngikhatha izinto ey'shoyo bafethi like ukubuza like manilalela ngimbuka umuntu like ngisenibona kakhulu ngikomenti angisho izinsuku ngisuke ngilalela into engishoyo mina kufuneka umuntu opersonal la hayi ngempela kufuneka umuntu oserious manje kuzona acabanga into zakhe acabanga into ey'wrong Sashisi. Hi, Elaine, Hi. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Ngiyawalalela ngiwezwa kahle futhi athini. Hayi wena uyagoa wena last born uyezusho you are going wena bakwenzeni xoxa khulula isifuba breathe in breathe out xoxa because ngiyabona ukuthi hayi you are going through a lot. Unasona hey Nkosi yami zami zalo sezathethelelwa bandla sasiselwa nkaso uNkulunkulu ezabo besithiwa usuyenzalani angazi but sasala lapho ibhede yakhe ngisanazo izono washed. I might be falling deep. 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 Tell me now what you need. I think I'm way too loud when I'm only my mind. I might be falling deep. Ish. And I'm forced to let you go. Let's spread it thin on us too. Made to see you lose control. Now I must spend all my time thinking of all your lies and cover-ups. Switching up on everyone who loves you. But that doesn't stop the show. I think you should know that, baby, you're the reason. You always think the only one who needs attention is you. Hope you'll understand was the only thing that could keep me from leaving. Baby, you're the reason. You always think the only one who needs attention is you. Don't need so nothing. Hope you'll understand was the only thing that could keep me from leaving. I'm meant to wonder how I let this go under. I could watch it rain for so long and it hit no thunder. I ain't gay, last born gay. I go. When I gay. But when dang. I go. Ngizomuyidlala ngoba uyithanda noma uyidlala ngoba uyagowa ngifuna kuyagowa ngisagowa kangaka vele ngo-October kodwa Nkosi yami asigowa kodwa Maria fethu ubungeke uzuze eDurban uyaphi nje ko-Cape Town wazi bani e-Cape Town waziwuba Baby, you're the reason. You always think the only one. By Party Next Door. Uzoshutha bani? Uzoshutha bani? When? I'm the beautiful, I'm from PTA. No, I'm not. I'm from Durban. Such a church, I really took fast. I'll be back. I'm so hurt. Uhetse ubani manje andile Nkosi yami umantombazane. Hey. My leftover. That's the bonus point. Thank you. Now we have niggas are my leftover. Yeah, bonga enzo good. Yes, but when she says yeah. I because I told her the production is fine. Hayi ngancane ngimnike kwami kokuphelele ngeke umuntu ama leftover hayi kanti njani wena inhliziyo embi inhliziyo embi umuntu ama leftover ejobino wena usathuli la phezulu uyangqolozela uthuli base ngikhohle ukuthengisayo lo ya besikhuluma ngayo ungenile la again ukukhombela so now no one tells me what to do like all I know Be careful with me. Yeah. I even go mad. Yeah. Classic. Walked in when I was a new youngin'. Shawty, you were trying to run on me. I've been going on my own. I've been doing things unknown. Day one, you running right back. Say the drama, you running off track. It's a one life, you tell me one life. One time, you tell me one time. Open your eyes, baby. Can you be wise, cause I'm a bright baby. I'm on the way, I'm on the front, baby. Leave me alone, take it by now. I put you on it. Say you want chance to what it turn me up and I what it back. Turn you right around and take it my way. So tell me what you need from me now. You need to be now, cause I'm done with it now. No more damages now. Say, tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, cause I'm done with it now. No more damages, no more damages. Back then when I was a baby girl, I was yours and you were my world. Tell me what you wanna do for me now. Take it down and I will hold you to run my race, cause you're running right there. Run my race. Give me a shoulder to cry on. ukaliswa yibaje akhala uyajabula isitha amakhala akhala hayi chinyanja manje yakhoyisa le ngoma ngiyishintsha Jabula lo doti uzumbiza ngodoti cha kuyethe ngempela ukulimaze angikho right indaba ngikho right
I want you play when you arrive. And you could take off your shoes, hop out in the tough. You don't have to, but I love to do. Bartender, I pour a drink, a movie on and entertain. I'm down to do the little things.
Hey.
Just wanna take some time to thank you and let you know just how you make me proud.
Phela tell isiphongo phela tell isiphongo zisithavuza kusami Mbala okay emva kwalezi ngoma eziwu2 ngizidlala lene nasi nje andifuna lesami hayi ngeke
and let you know just how you make me proud. Good times make up for the bad ones. I see you trying and I just you out. But when you're working, switching timing, when our schedules aren't aligning, that's a sign that it's okay to finally tell the world that you are more than enough for me. More than I can say, and you keep giving me more and more each day. Oh baby, and I never thought I'd end up with the man of my dreams. You really am. I don't mind taking time, baby. I'm down to do the little thing. And I can say, and you keep giving me more and more each day. Oh baby, and I never thought I'd end up with the man of my dreams. You really am. I don't mind taking time, baby. I'm down to do the little things. I'm down to do the little things. I'm down to do the little things. Yeah. I don't mind taking time, baby. I'm down to do the little things. Feelings, so deep in the feelings. No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my
iphele yapha ngithe nje ngizodlala izo2 leya naleyo igcina masike uyadlala
I've been with Triplet, I've been with friends, I've been with solo, where do I begin?
ungakhala udlala
To me, you
Go to
are a
bed,
star, so still.
yeah.
You know I found you pretty fast out of mobile. Ever since I caught you on that ice, you got no chill, no more. try to waste your time. Ain't never try to waste mine. Proved it a million times. Whoa. Linking up. We were in church together. I will just keep you going. And you dressed up for me, but you don't want to show anybody. Super low key, you don't want anybody. Can't wait to take you down in private. You know I need to start desire. Whoa, baby, I seen everything, I felt it too. You are the best part. If nobody told you, baby, I'm pressure. I've been with triplets, I've been with twins, I've been with so long, we doing it tears. To me, you are the star, show still. Even though I really ass, I done moved it.
Yeah.
Ever since I caught you on that ice, you got no shit. No more. I'm seeing it. My girl got diamonds on her arm, diamonds in her ear. She even wear that diamonds for a year. I'm trying to treat you special, like no one did. My baby skips the nightlife and the sideline just to show me it's mine. I'm trying to treat her special, like no one ever did. Oh, baby, I've been with twins. I've been with someone. They don't be serious. And to me, you are the stars. Whoa. Even though I thought you really asked, I done moved it. Ever since I caught you on that ice, you got no chill. No more.
Khawuzula one. Sangilawula manje kulava. Sizangizelisa mina lezi ngoma manje. Sigcine bese ngihlala igqomu. Ngoba ngeke ngikwazi. This is someone. Ngiyasengana ngishintshayo ngalesi lapha. Ngifundise kakhulu. Masterpieces. And weekend, it's in December. Weekdays, weekend. Ashalindi.
This quarter time going to is a bundle of joy.
My bundle has 12 cards. 12.
Jangan para kalian skip. Gusto ko na guys. Yo, cookies. Siapa ni pasal mata aku. Semua nak pembing. Semua nak pembing. Ay. Please do the right thing, bro. Like, mama, we're gonna make this like it's already me now, man. Like, please. I'm gonna take a Sam. Please, Kumin has been waiting for the longest of time. Jan, thank you. Manis to friend minuka. Ucabangan ngempel. Ngazipele di mali. Kani jalengo mali. Kani jalengo. Ay, samam. Shayi. Gandong ka pa. Malak sa mga. Hey, ngizazi ngempela ungalilalela igqomu ukuthi ulalelani. Hayi mfana wami.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it, just by thinking about it. Base 44, a complete AI creation platform. Describe what you want, and watch it take shape.
sengisele ngeke usungakhoda ukugana yebo ushuthi usale wedwa ezileke usala wedwa ngisokuthi kancane ngisho ukuthi vibe sesekuyena boys go get their belly. I can't even see you. Yes. Hi guys. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Can't tell you much. So ambalala kancane guys amandla bye guys ngazalo zokuba sekuDisemba hayi kahle ngibo ngilala isikhathi eside uthi nje okay